thanks for stopping by. It's me, Nikki, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I have for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there down below. It's free and it helps your girl out. Hit that like button as well, and I hope you guys enjoy this look today. So this is a look that I decided to do. I felt like playing with glitter. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, stick around so you can see how I did it. First things first, I put concealer on my eyes. As you can see, I have dark lids. So in order for the colors to really pop and to get the correct color that I'm looking for, it's always nice to prime the lids so that it can have a nice base to work from, and you really get those vibrant colors when you do that. Once the whole lid is primed and ready, I'm going to jump right into my palette. I'm using my Karity palette and going to use my first color, which is this. Kind of like a light lavender color, but I don't know, whenever I put it on, it looks like it's coming off as a light pink. But I'm going to just pat it on the crease line, and then I'm going to clean off my brush. I always have like a napkin next to me so that I can run my brush through it, and then I'll go back over on top of it and start blending it upwards little by little, and just start dragging it without adding no more product, just using what I already have. The thing about these kind of looks is the blending process is what takes the longest. So blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to go in with this bright pink color, and I'm going to lay that on my crease as well. And with the napkin that I have beside me, I'm going to run my brush on the napkin, and then that's what I use to start dragging it a little upward. Now I'm changing brushes, and I'm going to go in with this dark purple. And I know that's not the brush that you're supposed to use, but I love the way it just lays it on there, thinner than the other brushes. And I just work with it back and forth, and I start to notice I'm having fallout. So I'm going to put some airspun under my eyes. Even though I had some, I'm going to put just a little more. And whenever I'm messing with glitters, I really put that airspun everywhere, because it's so hard to get the glitter off of your skin. But it comes off so easy with the airspun. So I go back, and you'll see some fallout fall from my eye, and that's why I put more powder. But I'm going to go back and forth, and then I changed brush, a fluffy brush, to do the blend out method, and I just keep going back and forth, blending. Now with another smaller, thinner brush, I'm just going to blend out the top, and it has a little bit of yellow from a previous makeup, but I like the way it looks, so I didn't clean it off. So I'm just running it just to give it a nice blending motion. I grab my Tarte, and now I'm going to do my cut crease, partial cut crease. And I do have hooded eyes, so I don't want to go too high, but I am going to go over my crease line. And I'm just preparing it for where I'm going to put my glitter at. So no matter what makeup look I'm doing, I always use eyeliner, because that's my guideline for my eyelashes. And especially when you're messing with glitter, you don't want the glitter to go all the way down, because it's so hard to put the lash on top of that glitter. So this is going to tell you when to stop with the glitter. I use the eyelash glue to stick the glitter on there. I don't use glitter glue. And then gently tap, 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 little by little, because you don't want glitter to fly everywhere. So I just keep going back and forth. And then I put the rest of the glitter glue, or I'm sorry, the eyelash glue for the glitter on the other side. So I'm just doing little by little, and then I'll go back with the eyelash glue, and then I'll decide to go a little higher, and there I go, just little by little, because that glitter will make a mess. So going back in with the dark purple, I'm gonna fill in the outside right there, the outside corner, and I'm just gonna pat that dark color in there little by little, just dab, kind of drag it over the top. Again, get my blending brush and just kind of blend it in there. So I decided to take the airspun off, because I'm getting ready to put the foundation on so I can do my lower lash line, and then I'll finish blending. So I decided to show some of this part, because people were asking me on my Facebook Messenger why don't I show how I do the rest of my makeup. And the truth is, I'm not really good at it. I'm not good at contouring, but I do it anyways, because I like contouring. I'm still learning, and plus I've gained and lost weight. Now I gained it back, and my face shape keeps changing, so I need to learn how to do contouring on chubbier and then thinner faces. So I do my best. And again, going in with that dark purple for the lower lash line, and I'm not going to take it all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to stop midway, and then I just connect it into the outer corner right there, and then I'll do the blending towards the very end. It's not going to stay spotty like that. Of course, with every dramatic look, I always just do a nude lip. I know, boring. I just don't want to look like I'm all over the place. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite Jaclyn Hill from Ring the Alarm, my favorite highlight. And I'm going to do the inner quarter, the brows, and then I'll touch up on my nose. Also going to drag that highlight on my lower lash towards that purple that I had going on. I am telling you, this is my favorite highlight. That's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and beware, my montages are so horrible. I'm trying to get better at them, but I just really suck. But I'm trying. I just wanted you to get the idea of the look and how it came out. Here's some pictures so that you can see it better. But if you like this look, please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe already. I will see you on the next one.